Coleman's 6, right? Get one at 6.
Yeah.
This is 5. Okay, this is all I have left. All my 6s are gone. I have a 6, but it's not Coleman. It's this one.
Which one is the?
Yeah, and here's another one, 2.
Which count?
Do you know what size you're looking for?
I'm the 6 people.
Yeah. That one, see, so that one. Which one do you want to look at, sir?
So this one, the 390.
The one on the top?
It is the same thing, yeah, this one too, yeah?
Yeah, these are airsoft. Yeah. Let me see if I can get it out here.
Well, you don't have all full auto water proof now.
No. The other ones I believe are. Yeah, this is a BB gun. So this is the type of, it's like this. Yeah, BB guns. You're trying to get a, you want a rifle or that?
Right.
Yeah, so what you would do, you would just go to a gun store, you just take a certification test.
Okay.
Yeah, safety, it's a safety test.
Safety
Yeah, you just take that test and you get certified, and then you just buy whatever rifle you want. But you got to get the certificate first.
Certificate. How
Yeah.
can I take it? They give you the
So if you go
test
to the gun store,
Yeah.
any gun store usually will have the test for you to take.
Okay.
Yeah, but you just get the handbook.
Okay.
Just it's pretty common. It's easy.
Common sense.
Yeah, common sense, just knowledge stuff. You know, like you don't
how
point
to-
it in front of nobody. Yeah. Then once you pass that, they give you a little card, a certificate.
Do
And
you have
you
any address so I have to go there?
Where do you live at?
Send it.
I'm not sure. I'd Google and look what gun stores they have.
Okay.
So there should be a couple of gun stores. Sportsman's Warehouse.
Okay.
They
and
sell
I have to
rifles.
bring my passport and anything they need.
Yeah, so you can bring your passport and see, but they prefer if you have a driver's license or
Yeah.
state ID. Yeah,
In
California.
state ID, California ID.
Yes. So you bring that and then you just take the test. And
Easy to get, yeah.
yes, 20 questions. I passed them the first time.
Oh, you passed it, yeah.
I got one wrong.
Okay.
But it's just common sense questions.
Common sense.
Yeah, so you can go there
Okay.
and then they'll have a handbook to study it,
Okay.
and then you can take it the same day if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Can I recharge this one? How can I connect it with that? Can I open this one? Can I open?
Maybe right there.
How much was this? Horse price. Oh yeah, I got it.
देख तो लो कितनी रोशनी है उसकी
This sir.
Yeah. You already did this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Can I change it? Can I get different one?
What?
Can I get different one, this one, or your same one?
Different one? You can get it.
I put it back this one, yeah? Again. We done all? How much?
Even that one?
Yeah, yes.
$336.71.
You have any bad for the
Yeah.
medium have, one you have, can I have? This is the 549, yeah? 545 का. You can do it for this one, yeah? Hold के लिए. This one is 3,000.